Hello everyone. Dear student, let us continue our session. In this video, I will talk about BSEPR theory for 11th class student. Okay. So, with the help of BSEPR theory, you can identify the structure of different molecule. In the previous video, I am just talking about the dipole moment and hybridization. So with the help of hybridization, you can also identify the structure of different molecule. But according to the BSEPR theory, you can also identify the geometry of different molecules. Okay, this theory is proposed by Sidgwick and Powell and further extended by Gillespie and Nyholms. According to this theory, the geometry of a molecule depends on the number of bonding pair of electron of a molecule. It means the geometry of a molecule depends on the number of bonding pair of the central atom of a molecule. Okay, so if there are two bonding pair of the central atom in a molecule, the geometry of the molecule must be linear. If there are three bonding pair within the molecule at the central atom, the geometry will be trigonal like this. Okay, so if a molecule is surrounded by only bonding pair, the geometry will be regular. It means there is a no any kind of deviation, bond angle deviation takes place. Okay, if there is a lone pair within the central atom of a molecule, definitely there will be bond angle deviation takes place. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the geometry of different molecule on the basis of number of bonding pair. Okay, let us see on the board. Bonding pair can be written as BPs. Okay, it's the short form of bonding pairs. If there are two bonding pair within a molecule, geometry will be linear. If there are three bonding linear, bond angle will be 180 degree and so on. Linear shape आपको पता ही होगा कि bond angle linear में कितना होगा. Next is if there are three bonding pair, the geometry must be trigonal in shape. The molecule must be trigonal and bond angle must be 120 degree. There will be 120 degree bond. If there are three bonding pair within a molecule, four bonding pair within a molecule, the geometry of the molecule will be tetrahedral. And bond angle must be 109 degree 28 minutes. If there are five bonding pair within a molecule, there will be trigonal bipyramidal structure. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal structure. Trigonal bipyramidal. Bond angle will be 120 degree and 90 degree. Okay. If there are six bonding pair within a molecule, the geometry of the molecule will be octahedral. And bond angle will be 90 degree for this molecule, for this kind of molecule which possesses octahedral shape. Okay, next is if there are seven bonding pair, then geometry will be pentagonal bipyramidal. It's pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, so with the help of bonding pair you can identify the structure or geometry of different molecule. Let us see the structure. इससे linear shape क्या होता है, trigonal पता होगा, tetrahedral क्या होता है, trigonal, bipyramidal, तो इनकी जो proper shape होती है उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे discussion करते हैं. Okay, let us see. First of all, there is a trilinear shape. Linear shape means it is something like this. This is linear. The bond angle is 180. This is the linear shape. If we talk about the trigonal shape, so definitely trigonal shape will be like this. Okay, this is the trigonal shape. Okay, next we will talk about the tetrahedral shape. Okay, the tetrahedral must be like this. This is the tetrahedral structure of a molecule. Okay, next talk about the trigonal bipyramidal. तो trigonal bipyramidal structure क्या होता है? Let us see. This structure is just trigonal bipyramidal. If we talk about the octahedral structure, let us see the octahedral structure of a molecule. This is the octahedral of a molecule, octahedral shape. Okay, next is pentagonal bipyramidal. Let us take one example, then I will discuss about the pentagonal bipyramidal. So these structures are belongs to these phenomenon. Okay, next okay, so the main thing of this theory is just the geometry of a molecule is depends on the number of bonding pair and lone pair both. If the central atom of a molecule is surrounded only by bonding pair, then geometry of the molecule will be regular. It means as shown in this table. Okay, if there are lone pair too, अगर उसके साथ lone pair होते हैं, then bond angle deviation takes place as the number of lone pair increases. More will be the bond angle deviation takes place. Okay, because the lone pair repulsion is maximum, and then after lone pair bond pair, and then after bond pair. एक्चुअली ये ऐसा होता क्यों है कि इसमें रिपल्शन क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ये टेंडेंसी होती है किसी मॉलिक्यूल की, ताकि जैसे लोन पेयर टू लोन पेयर का जो रिपल्शन है वो मैक्सिमम होगा, तो उससे क्या होगा कि मॉलिक्यूल के जो एटम्स है वो दूर शिफ्ट होने की टेंडेंसी होगी, जिससे कि कम एनर्जी होगी, और जितनी कम एनर्जी होगी उसकी उतनी ही स्टेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होगी. ओके, सो द एटम्स ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल हैव टेंडेंसी टू शिफ्ट अपार्ट इन ऑर्डर टू गेन द मैक्सिमम स्टेबिलिटी, बिकॉज देयर इज अ मिनिमम रिपल्शन, सो द energy will be less and the stability will be maximum. Okay, this is all about the BA-CPR theory. Let's have some example. Suppose we have three examples like methane, CH4, ammonia, NH3 and water. Okay, if we talk about the hybridization, all these three cases are just sp3 hybridized, and according to the hybridization the structure should be tetrahedral and the bond angle must be 109 degree 28 minutes for these cases. But according to the BA-CPR theory, there is a bond angle deviation takes place due to the presence of lone pair in case of ammonia and water molecule. Okay, let's have example. If we talk about methane, there are four bonding pair four, and lone pairs are denoted by alkenes. Lone pair is 0, with total 4. So according to the BSEPR theory, the structure of methane will be tetrahedral. Okay, like this. Okay, there is no any lone pair, so the structure will be regular, and the bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. There is no any kind of deviation takes place due to the absence of lone pair. Okay, if we talk about the ammonia, then bonding pairs. Okay, number of bonding pair will be 3 according to this case, and the number of lone pairs, that is LPs, will be 1. Then total will be 4. Okay, so the structure must be tetrahedral, but अगर इसको और सही से कहें तो it will be distorted tetrahedral, because due to the presence of lone pair, the bond angle deviation takes place and the structure will be distorted, and it will be distorted tetrahedral, और इसका जो bond angle है वो थोड़ा सा deviate हो जाएगा, and actual bond angle is for ammonia case and single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, and there is a one lone pair as well. So due to this lone pair, the structure will be distorted tetrahedral. Okay, the bond angle for this case will be 107.5 degree. Okay, due to the presence of this lone pair, there is a deviation takes place. Okay, if we talk about the water molecule, okay, the number of bonding pair for this case is 2, and number of lone pairs also 2, and total will be 4. The structure must be tetrahedral, but due to the presence of lone pair, the structure must be distorted tetrahedral. It means bond angle deviation takes place for this specific case. Okay, and if you draw the structure, then oxygen is the shelter atom, then hydrogen, and there are 2 lone pair like this. Okay, so there are 2 lone pairs, so the bond angle deviation is more for this case as compared to this one. It means ammonia bond angle will be 104.5 degree approximately. Okay, 104.5. Okay, one thing more, remember that the bond, the repulsion between lone pair to lone pair is maximum for this case, then lone pair to bond pair, सबसे ज्यादा रिपल्शन लोन पेयर टू लोन पेयर होगा, यानी जैसे जैसे लोन पेयर बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे बॉन्ड एंगल डेविएशन और भी ज्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा. Then lone pair to bond pair, and the minimum repulsion will be bond pair to bond pair. ठीक है, अब हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही होगी अभी तक कि ये लोन पेयर और बॉन्ड पेयर है क्या. ओके, सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द बॉन्ड पेयर एंड लोन पेयर, जबकि इसको पहले से ही आपको पता होना चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी मैं एक बार आपको ये बात बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, सो इन्हीं दोनों केसेस में, 3 केसेस में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, if we talk about methane, carbon has 4 electrons in its outer shell. Okay, these are the valence electron like this. Okay, and 4 hydrogens are combined accordingly. Okay, so these are 4 bonded. जो bond बना रहे हैं उनको हम लोग bond pair कहेंगे. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say bonding pair for this case methane will be 4. If we talk about ammonia, so nitrogen, the atomic number will be 7, so it's 2 comma 5. There are 5 electron in its valence shell. Okay, so nitrogen has 5 electron. Let us draw 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and 3 hydrogens are combined, so these 3 unpaired electron will be combined with hydrogen in order to form a covalent bond. Okay, so these 3 pair of electron are bonding. Okay, that's why these are called bonding pairs. So bonding pair कितने हो गए? बॉन्डिंग पेयर्स विल बी 3, और ये किसी भी बॉन्डिंग में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन ये बैलेंस सेल में है, इसको हम लोग लोन पेयर कहते हैं. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड लोन पेयर. सो इन केस ऑफ अमोनिया यू कैन सी देयर आर 3 बॉन्डिंग पेयर व्हिच आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन एंड देयर इज अ वन लोन पेयर एज वेल. ओके, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, oxygen in the shelter atom, atomic number must be 8, so it will be 2 comma 6. Okay, there are 6 electron in its valence shell. There are 6 electron in valence shell. So let us draw 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 electron, and according to the bonding, 2 hydrogens are combined, then these 2 electron will combine with hydrogen in order to form a bond. Okay, so these pair of electron are participating in the bonding and these are not. Okay, so these 2 pair are called lone pairs. Lone pairs will be 2, and the bonding pair for this case will be also 2. Okay, so this is the calculation of bonding pair and lone pair. Okay, तो इसके BS CPR थ्योरी के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपकी बुक में दिए गए होंगे, और 12th क्लास में भी इसके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस जो है पूछे जाते हैं. डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल, आप किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का स्ट्रक्चर आप 1 सेकंड में बता सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग पेयर और लोन पेयर के अकॉर्डिंग. जैसे जैसे लोन पेयर बढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे बॉन्ड एंगल डेविएशन भी बढ़ता चला जाएगा. ओके, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द BS CPR थ्योरी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बच्चों का रिक्वेस्ट था कि फॉर्मल चार्ज के ऊपर, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फॉर्मल चार्ज को समाप्त करेंगे. उसके अलावा कुछ और भी टॉपिक ऐड करेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.